Things in my life that I ain't never seen before. Is UFO and a hoe that wouldn't go. Yo. Let go, stepping on shit, watch a young nigga walk this. Niggas know ain't no shot. Y'all hear that shit? Y'all probably know where I'm at right now. You know what I'm saying? We gotta come in. I got Bay with me, you feel me? So we gonna check out some shit. But I'm gonna go ahead and run this montage shit, alright? I love y'all, alright? Y'all safe.
You did good, say.
Bro, check this shit out.
Pull up in the pizza, higher than the picture. Northside players get it hit.
Oh, man, right, bro. I give it every single day.
Shorty, all that shit you selling stuff on. Get the fuck on. Put that dizzy cause I make it pop and leave a pussy. Took his hoe with me, I heard she was a pussy. Coke by the pussy, come pussy got the earring. Let my girl fuck off, hit her with the strap on. Keep it like a mid-egg, while I get the diss on. Sipping on some scissors, I can't hear a wizard. That chopper leave him leaking, put his body in the desert. Make it with my fucker, face on the side poker. The boys from the north side execute you on your sofa. Man who want the smizzle, that die for my kiddo. That body, pistol in the side, that pistol in the art.
Yeah, I know it is. Damn, baby, hold on. Back up. Good. I'll be here till like 1 a.m., bro.
I'm so glad I signed that deal. Yeah, I'm so glad I signed that deal. I become the one, every laughter, every laugh. Coming back with the stack, through the police and the bank. Holiday, the sun, even hell, baby ringing bells. Ready, get the shit, volunteers, rookies, people rocking from the fucking dirt. 60 deep became my squad. I think I feel the hurt, down in the dirty mud.
Yo, bro. Look at this shit. Y'all wanna see it is though. Is that fucking roll cage in the back?